reality behind adventures. Thanks for stopping by. Today we are at the Animal Kingdom. We are going to be having dinner at Boma and getting some sights and sounds for you. This is a beautiful resort. We love being here. We have never eaten at Boma. And of course, once we moved down here, it had been closed for almost 2 years. It's been open a little while, but this is our first chance to be able to stop by to have dinner there. So come along with us. Hey, so we have been seated at Boma. We got the earliest reservation and seating that we could because we didn't want it to be crowded and things of that sort as we were going through the line, because this is one of the only buffets that are actually open in Walt Disney World. But as we get So, as I was telling you, Boma is one of the only resorts or restaurants that are still doing a buffet. So, we're pretty excited about it. Just waiting in line to be able to enjoy the feeding, I guess is the best way to put it. Come along.
Honey barbecue sauce. And then Striploin. You're welcome. One or two. Pasta salad, chickpea salad, Tabbouleh salad, North African cauliflower, and couscous.
So we are at Boma. We had just went through the first time to get a meal. We've got striploin, we've got ribs, couscous, peanut rice, green beans, a little bit of everything. I'm gonna just give you a shot of our plate once, and then we're gonna kind of dig in, and we'll let you know. But I tell you what, the desserts I cannot wait for. Those look really good. I am so tickled, and the place is filling up very quickly, isn't it? What did you think? It looks really good. I think we're going to be very pleased, but stick around. So, after our first plate, now, the one thing to think about is the plates are fairly small, so you don't have to, if you wanted to, you could load up, but it's very easy to get through this line. So as a general tip, just get enough to eat and move on, because it flows really quick, and the place has filled up quite a bit since we've been here, and it's still easy to get through. And you don't really want to load up on all the starches and the protein, just for the fact that the desserts down at the end of the line, they're calling my name. I shouldn't, and I know I shouldn't, but why not, right? When in Rome. But how is yours so far, Melinda? Yeah. So everything's got a little bit of spice into it somewhere along the way, but still really good. We do not like spice. When I say spice, I mean heat. And we have found a few things. There was green beans. There was something on them that was hot, but I went through it because everything else on them was really good. Melinda didn't care for them. But other than that, I think thumbs up on everything. So,
The beans are really good. I just can't figure out what's spicy.
oh, yeah, it is what it is. They've got a bite to them, but other than that, everything has been really good. The strip, the loin, of course, the ribs are really good, and the chicken's not too bad either. So we're having a good experience. We really are. So stick around.
Well, they're all stuck together, so. You want zebra dome?
That's pineapple.
I mean,
So,
That's because they came out together.
So we have finished with our meal, and we have went to dessert. The choices I'll put in here now, but wow, just enough so you can get a flavor out of each one. Of course, you can eat all you want, but I'm more excited about the bread pudding with the vanilla sauce than I am anything else. The zebra domes. Melinda was trying to pull off one, as you saw on the plate. There 4 came off at one time, so she's actually, I think, kind of happy about that. But we're going to dig in and we'll let you know what we think. Okay, so we've dabbled in the dessert a little bit. As you can see, this is the chocolate coffee bean tart. Out of this world. It really is. Now, of course, everybody knows the zebra domes. Now, this was the brownie. Now, it's got a hard shell. Basically almost like a chocolate hard shell on the outside, but very moist on the inside. Excellent. This here caught me off guard. It is grapefruit. It tastes just like you've bitten into a grapefruit, and it's almost got a cheesecake consistency with a marshmallow rim on the outside. Very tart. Now next, the bread pudding, out of this world. It's probably the best bread pudding I've ever had. And of course you have this strange stuff over here. It's called watermelon. Can't go wrong with watermelon. And then the pineapple mini muffin. It was actually fairly decent. But the star of the show for me is most definitely the coffee bean chocolate tart. Excellent all the way through. So we have finished our meal here at Boma. I think our total was like $93 after our discount. And all in all, it's a really good time. The meal was good. We were just sitting talking, and desserts were really good. They were exciting. A lot of the different items we got that were on the buffet were things we had never tried before. Not out of our comfort zone, but just different. Turned out really well. To me, the best thing I had was the ribs. And some of the other items. Now, there were a lot of stews and stuff that we didn't try. It's just not my thing. That doesn't mean I won't come back and try them again. Now, this is not something we're going to do every weekend, but we could see ourselves doing it a couple of times a year, just for the fact that it's just different, okay? And it's one of those things that you don't do every weekend, but you do try to fit in. If you were on vacation down here, I would say definitely a must, just for the culture side of it and the different flavors. But all in all, it was a good time. I would say we're probably a 7 or 8 out of 10. Excellent. Good service. Everything was good, flavorful. We did go out of our comfort zone a little bit, but had a good time all in all. And join us next time. Again, we leave reality behind adventures. If you do like our content, please like, share, and subscribe. We appreciate you, and see you on the next one. Take care.